Hello, Inky. Hello, what are you doing? You're smelling the sunflower again. Well, stop smelling the flowers and let's teach the children Group 1. Okay? Okay. Alright, well, these are the sounds of Group 1. So, Inky, you sit there and help us. Okay, I'm going to get a pencil and I'm going to point with my yellow pencil so that the children can follow. Oh, hi there, Snake. So we're going to start now. This one is S. This one is Ah. This one is T. And this one is I. This one is P. And this one is N. Okay, I've got some cards here that we can read. Now let's look at the first one. This one, well, how many sounds has it got? It's got 1, 2, 3. Now what is the first sound? The first sound is Ah. The second is The third one is T. Now let's listen for the sounds. T. Children, can you put that together? Let's say it faster. And. Can you say that even faster? And. What's the word? The word is ant. Ant. And I think we've got a picture of an ant here. There it is. Now, were you able to read that first word? Now let's have a second one. This one has 3 sounds again. 1, 2, 3. The first one is S. Then Ah. Then T. Let's say that again. S. At. That's sat. Sat. Let's go into the next one. You were so good. Now this one has 3 again. It's P. A. T. P. A. T. Now can you hear the word? That's P. At. That's pat. What do you think, Inky? Are we reading well? Ooh.
Yes, we are reading well.
Okay. All right. Now let's read some more. This is P. An. P. An. Let's say it faster. P. An. Can you hear the word? Can you hear the word?
Yes, I can.
And what's the word? It's
Pat.
An. It's pan. Well done. Let's go on to the next one. This is T. App. T. App. Say it faster. T. App. This one is tap. Tap. It's tap. Okie dokie. Ooh, look at this. Look at this sound. This one is, where is it? This one is this. This is I. Okay, remember, children, you don't say sa. You just say s. It. It. Let's say faster. That is sit. That's sit. For children to read the I is easier after a first sound, they should not say the schwa sound. They should just say t instead of ta. Because if they say ta in, it's gonna be a bit harder for them to blend. T and I. So let's try this. This one is t, I, n, t, in. This word is tin. It's tin. Ooh. Shall we skip some of the words? This one is, can you read that by yourself? I'm going to point. Again. Not na. It's n. I. P. It's n. I. P. Let's read it faster. Nip. That's nip.
I want this one.
This one is P. It's not pa. It's P. I. P. Not pa. It's P. P. I. It's pin. Pin. Okie dokie. Oh no, there were 4 sounds here. 4 sounds. Ooh, we are so good. I know we can read this. Now there are 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first sound is s. Ap. Now try and hear the word. Listen. Snap. Snap is, what's the word? It's snap. It's snap. Well done. Inky, these children are just so good. Don't you agree, Snake? Now because they're so good, they're going to get a sticker with Snake on it. Okie dokie. Well, we're going to say goodbye for now. Goodbye.